Hello and welcome to this video where we'll talk about the administration section of the employee directory. So as you probably know by now, the employee directory helps you find colleagues easily, and it contains the details of all your colleagues in the organization. Using the administration section, you can configure the tool to suit the needs of your organization. The tool has a wide range of customizability, and I'll take you through the administration section now. So when you click on the administration section, you will see that there are three main divisions: the security configuration section, the app settings section, and the Saketa support section. The security configuration sections deals with the permissions that the various users get and the groups that are involved. The app settings is where you have a bulk of the customizability and the place where you can configure most of the details in the application. This is further divided into three subsections: manage app settings, manage app images, and manage app configurations. So manage app settings, using the manage app settings subsection, you can customize the title, the slogan, and the logo. So if you see here, the title is employee directory, ultimate people's directory experience, which comes from here, the title and the slogan, and the logo. And the logo is actually the logo of Saketa, if you want, which can be customized. So I'll tell you how to change the logo. So for changing the logo, all you have to do is go to manage app images and upload the image of the logo there. I've already uploaded a dummy logo. After that, all you have to do is copy this library link here and paste it in the logo section here. So this is a JPEG file, and then when I save it, the page reloads and I'll see that I have my custom logo. So let's go back to the administration section now. Suppose I want to remove it. That's just as simple as adding a logo. So if I go to manage app settings, and all I have to do is remove this, and let's save it. So again the page reloads and you'll be back with Saketa. So let's go back to the administration section. So likewise, you can also change the title and the slogan of the application. Maybe you can put the title as something that you want for your organization and give the slogan of your organization. And so that is about app settings and app images. And next we come to the manage app configurations. So this is where you can configure the other parts of the application apart from the slogan, the title, and the logo. So this is divided into 4 tabs. So general, node, templates, and exclusion filters. So I'll take you through each one. In the general tab, you can change the look and feel of the application. This is with terms to colors and some of the boxes. So it comes with a default theme, and if you want to customize the theme, you can choose custom, and you can give your various color combinations that you think will work well for you. So you can change the background color, the app text color, and the app background color as well. You can also customize the number of employees per page. So over here, for instance, by default it comes with about 20 employees loaded per page. If you want to increase that, you can increase that to up to 50 employees per page. The next is show rounded corners. So if you see the shape of the various nodes here, this is like a proper rectangle with sharp corners. So the rounded corners gives it a more rounded feel. And you can see the alphabets here. So the show alphabets is really these letters that you see here, which makes it easy to find people. So for instance, if I want to look at people whose preferred name starts with D, all I'll do is filter by preferred name and click on D. So I'll explain that in more detail in the user video, which will be the next video. And show search is this search box over here where you can easily search for employees. So let me just change that. So let me remove these two, and I've checked round corners. So now when I save it, saved successfully, and let's reload the page. Now as you see here, the corners are now rounded compared to the perfect rectangles that were there earlier, and the letters are gone, and so is the search box. So that is the change that you can do in the general tab. And the next section of the general tab is the general filters. So these are the filters that are present here. These are totally customizable. So currently we've given department and base office location because those are the filters that we have defined here. You can replace them with any filters with any attribute, and they will be filtered accordingly. So that's another level of customization. Let me just go set it back to the default mode. And the next section is the node section. So there are two views in the Saketa employee directory, the tile view and the card view. So the tile view is this department, this rectangle that comes up here. The card view can hold slightly larger number of attributes. So therefore the card view can actually hold up to 6 fields, and the tile view can only hold up to 2 fields. So let me just show you how the card view actually looks. Now let's close this, the page will reload, and we'll see a different view now. So as you see now, this is a slightly bigger view. Like I said, it can hold slightly larger number of attributes, and therefore we can give a maximum of 6 attributes for the card view. So this is where you define what attributes need to be shown. So department and job title are being shown. So you have department and you have job title. So MIS executive is the job title and sales is the department. So next is the templates tab. So templates tab really tells you what are the attributes that have to be shown in the full view when that view is visible when you click on a certain name. So over here currently we have job title, department, quick links, title and work phone. So of these, whatever have been given by the inputted by the organization will be shown up. So for instance, if I click this, so it's given work phone and title and the work phone, so that's what's coming up. If you had given all the 5 attributes, all the 5 would have come up. So this is the template view, the full mode view. Let's go back to the configurations now. Next we have the exclude filters. So the exclude filters, as the name probably tells you, is the various employees that you would want to exclude. For instance, a lot of firms, for instance, do not like to have vendors, contractors on the employee directory. They only want full-time employees. So this will be a great place to actually implement that. You can exclude. Now there are various things we've given to help you out. You can exclude live accounts just by checking this. So all your Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook will be taken care of there. You can filter by any AD attribute, and you can just give the attribute name here, and the you can give the attribute value here, and all of those will be excluded when you add to the filter. The third is you can give a specific condition. For instance, if your base office location is Seattle, you want to exclude all those employees, you can exclude that. If your department is IT and you want to exclude those employees, you can exclude that. This works very well when you have individual employee directories in various divisions or various geographies. So you can take multiple activations for the employee directory, and for each activation you can exclude the people, and thereby it will be like their own employee directory. And if you notice here, you can also give the value null. So if this is helpful, for instance, if you, sometimes what happens is you have conference rooms showing up, so and conference rooms are usually not assigned a department. So a good check would be if you put department as null, that conference room will not show up. This is actually the employee directory for our organization. I've actually excluded them to not to give out too many details. And Next is filter by a domain. So if you want to filter out complete domains, so you can get the domains. You can select when you get domains, all the domains will pop up here, and you can merely just select those domains and you can add to the filter. So employees from those domains will not come up. So the last part is Saketa support. You can always visit our website at www.saketa.com, or you can send us an email here. So you can send us an email using that send an email link, and so that is the Saketa employee directory admin section. I hope it was useful and you learned a lot about how to configure the employee directory to suit the needs of your organization. I look forward to seeing you in the new video where we'll talk about the how the employee directory can be used by the regular users. Thank you for joining me.